Alright everyone, welcome to another Unity tutorial. This will be more for the beginner aligned segment, my beginner playlist. So this is going to be under how to get the camera to follow your player. So yeah, this isn't like film school, this isn't like paparazzi stuff. This is just your simple get the camera to follow as you go along the level. And this will also be kind of a preview of the ladder climb tutorial that I got going so far, but it's not ready yet. So let's draw a segment here. So you get your player to climb and you realize, oh, the camera, like the player actually went into the abyss of nothingness and we don't see him anymore. It's like, where'd he go? You go, oh, there he is. Okay, so as you can see, there's at least another level here that is unseen, and I'll show you what I mean right now. Okay, so as you see here, there's a whole other second story up there, and we know he's out there. The player is there, but the camera isn't following. We've got a bunch of other issues too, but you know, we want the camera to follow the player for one, so we'll stop that. We'll stop the gameplay. Alright, so simple version of this, and you can do different things with different cameras and different types of games, whether it be first-person shooter, third-person shooter, isometric, platformer. Yeah, so this is just the easy way for a simple platformer, and everyone's gonna have a different way. I think you can even do this by script, but for this, click on your main camera, drag it up underneath to the player, make sure it's in there. Okay, and then we'll switch back. This is just the bread and butter version. This is real simple, and like I said, there's many different ways to try this out. This is also the preview, you know, the ladder project, the ladder tutorial I'll go in. Alright, so we got the ladder climb, he's going up, and yeah, it is working. So, goes in there, and we know that the camera follows the player now. So, there you have it. And like I said, there's a couple of bugs here for the ladder climb tutorial, but yeah, that'll be within the week. We're getting a lot of rain, and I'm actually on the side of pizza guy, so pizza man, pizza driver. We are super busy right now. But yeah, it's the life of a pizza guy. So, but I wanted to at least do that, and I'll try to get this new tutorial out pretty soon with the ladder climb. Just working on a couple bugs and short on time with classes. And anyways, you guys have a good one. If you're in the local area where you're getting a lot of rains or are getting a lot of rains, please stay warm and please stay dry. Watch out for those roads. And you guys have a wonderful day, and just keep on making those games. Thank you.